How we can improve our attention span and the best strategies for vaccines, they're also shaping the future of learning in exciting ways. The digital age has revolutionized the way we learn. The birth of the internet and its subsequent evolution has brought about a seismic shift in the educational landscape. With the advent of online learning platforms, the world of knowledge is now at our fingertips, making education more accessible than ever before. Massive open online courses, better known as Immersive, have democratized learning, breaking down geographical and financial barriers. They've allowed millions around the world to acquire new skills, pursue their passions, or even earn degrees from renowned institutions, all from the comfort of their homes. In addition to accessibility, the digital age has also made learning more engaging. An exciting development in this regard is the introduction of gamification in learning. By incorporating elements of game design into educational content, learning has been transformed from a mundane task into a fun and engaging activity. Gamification taps into our innate love for competition and accomplishment, motivating us to learn more and do better, whether it's earning badges for completing a challenging math problem or leveling up after mastering a new language. Gamification is making learning more enjoyable and, as a result, more effective. But the evolution doesn't stop there. We're now witnessing the rise of blended learning models, which aim to extract the best of both worlds: traditional classroom methods and online resources. In a blended learning environment, learners can benefit from the personal attention and social interactions of a traditional classroom, while also leveraging the flexibility and vast resources of online learning. This model provides a more holistic learning experience, catering to different learning styles and paces. As you can see, technology has taken learning to another level. It has not only made education more accessible and engaging, but also more personalized and effective. And as technology continues to advance, we can only expect more exciting developments in the world of learning. So whether you're a lifelong learner or involved in the field of education, it's an exciting time to be involved in the learning process. Artificial intelligence is not just transforming industries, it's reshaping how we learn. Imagine a classroom where every student receives a personalized curriculum, tailored to their pace, style, and interests. That's the magic of AI in education. It allows for customized learning experiences that adapt to the individual learner, bridging the gap between mass education and individual needs. Now let's take a peek at AI-powered tutoring systems. These are not your traditional tutors. They're available 24/7, offering real-time feedback and guidance, helping students grasp concepts at their own pace. Systems like Carnegie Learning's Mathia and Thinkster are examples of this. They use AI to provide personalized instruction and practice, guiding students through problems step by step, adapting to their skill level and providing immediate feedback. But the role of AI in learning goes beyond personalization and tutoring. It's also about data. Massive amounts of learning data are generated every day. AI and machine learning algorithms can analyze this data, identifying patterns and trends that can help teachers and educators improve their teaching strategies and educational outcomes. For instance, AI can predict which students are at risk of falling behind, allowing for early intervention. It can also provide insights into which teaching methods are most effective, helping educators continually refine and improve their approach. But what about the recent achievements in AI for learning? There have been some exciting breakthroughs. AI teaching assistants like Georgia Tech's Jill Watson have been used to answer students' questions, freeing up time for human teachers. Adaptive learning platforms like Dreambox Learning adjust the difficulty of questions based on the learner's performance. And AI-powered educational games like Minecraft Education Edition use machine learning to adapt gameplay and provide an engaging, personalized learning experience. AI, when used ethically and responsibly, has immense potential to enhance learning experiences. But as with any technology, AI in learning comes with its own set of challenges. One of these hurdles is ensuring equitable access to AI-enhanced learning tools. While AI has the potential to make personalized learning widely accessible, it's important to remember that not everyone has the same level of access to technology. In some parts of the world, even basic internet access is a luxury, let alone advanced AI-powered learning tools. This digital divide can exacerbate existing educational disparities, leaving behind those who cannot afford or access these resources. Another challenge lies in the realm of data privacy. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. In the context can fuel a lifetime of innovation. Now imagine a classroom where students are not just passive recipients of knowledge, but active participants in their learning process. This is where project-based learning comes into play. In STEM disciplines, project-based learning provides a platform for students to apply their theoretical knowledge to practical problems. It fosters problem-solving skills, creativity, and innovation, as students are challenged to devise solutions to complex scenarios. But STEM education isn't just about producing experts in science or technology, it's also about developing well-rounded individuals who can approach problems from different perspectives. And this is where interdisciplinary learning comes in. By integrating arts, humanities, and social sciences into STEM education, we're encouraging students to draw on a wide range of disciplines to solve problems. This approach enables students to develop versatile problem-solving abilities. They learn to appreciate the complexity of real-world issues, which often cannot be solved from a single disciplinary perspective. A student studying environmental science, for instance, would benefit from understanding not just the scientific aspects of climate change, but also its economic, political, and social implications. So, to sum up, a robust STEM education is not just about teaching science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in isolation. It's about fostering an environment where students can apply these disciplines in real-world contexts, develop problem-solving skills through project-based learning, and appreciate the value of interdisciplinary approaches in tackling complex issues. Remember, each one of us has the potential to be an innovator. It's about cultivating the right mindset, asking the right questions, and having the courage to challenge the status quo. A robust STEM education is a cornerstone for fostering innovation and problem-solving skills. Technology and AI are not just tools for learning, they're subjects to be learned. As we wade into the digital age, the power of technology and artificial intelligence in STEM education becomes increasingly evident. It's not just about using these tools to learn, but about learning how to use these tools effectively. One way we are leveraging technology in STEM education is through advanced simulation software and virtual labs. These tools offer students the unique opportunity to experiment with scenarios that would be impossible, dangerous, or too costly to explore in real life. Imagine testing the effects of gravity on Mars or exploring the inner workings of a cell, all from the safety of a classroom. This hands-on approach to learning goes beyond textbooks, allowing students to actively engage with scientific concepts in a virtual environment. But the learning doesn't stop there. Students are also diving headfirst into AI and machine learning projects, tackling complex problems with innovative solutions. From predicting weather patterns using machine learning algorithms to developing AI systems that can detect diseases, students are at the forefront of this technological revolution. These experiences not only provide them with a deep understanding of AI and machine learning, but also equip them with critical thinking and problem-solving skills that are invaluable in our rapidly evolving world. Lastly, let's not forget the immersive learning experiences provided by augmented reality and virtual reality. These technologies allow students to step into another dimension, literally. Whether it's exploring the depths of the ocean or the vastness of space, Arkansas and VR offer unparalleled learning experiences that deepen understanding and spark curiosity. It's like taking a field trip without ever leaving the classroom. In conclusion, the integration of technology and AI in STEM education is transforming the way we learn. It's breaking down barriers, making science more accessible, and fostering a generation of innovators who are ready to tackle the challenges of the future. The future of STEM education is here, and it's exciting. So, what does the future hold for STEM education? As we look ahead, it's clear that STEM education is at an exciting crossroads. Emerging technologies are not just changing the way we teach and learn, but they're also shaping the very subjects we study. Let's consider a few examples. Quantum computing, once a subject of science fiction, is now a rapidly developing field. Quantum computers, with their potential to solve complex problems far beyond the reach of classical computers, are set to revolutionize many industries. To prepare students for this quantum leap, schools and universities are beginning to integrate quantum computing into their curricula. Students are learning the principles of quantum mechanics, quantum algorithms, and even getting hands-on experience with quantum computing platforms. Similarly, biotechnology is transforming our understanding of life itself. From gene editing to synthetic biology, the advancements in this field are astounding. In response, STEM education is evolving to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge. Biotechnology is increasingly being taught not just in universities but also in high schools, with students learning about DNA sequencing, genetic engineering, and more. And let's not forget nanotechnology, the science of the incredibly small. With applications spanning from medicine to materials science, nanotechnology is another emerging field that's making its way into classrooms. Students are being introduced to the concepts of nanoscale, nanomaterials, and nanodevices, preparing them for a future where the tiny makes a huge impact. But it's not just about adding new subjects, it's about fostering a mindset of lifelong learning, curiosity, and adaptability. After all, the technologies of tomorrow may be beyond our current imagination. The goal of STEM education is to equip students with the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn, to keep pace with this ever-evolving technological landscape. The future of learning is a fusion of traditional theories, modern breakthroughs, and emerging technologies. So keep learning, because the journey is just beginning.